slight rotary action to ensure complete adhesion of the resin. Allow the Chemset Rio 502 to cure for the specified time before applying any load. Chemset 801 Injection Anchoring Adhesive. The Chemset 801 Injection Anchoring Adhesive is a high-strength, tough epoxy mortar which allows high loads on anchored fixtures. It has high corrosion resistance, making it ideal for use in areas where frequent cleaning or chemicals are used. To install studs using Chemset 801, drill the hole to the required depth and diameter. Clean thoroughly with brush and pump. Assemble the nozzle onto the cartridge and gun a small amount of the 801 to premix to ensure complete and correct mixing of the two-part cartridge via the static mixer nozzle. Gun enough adhesive into the hole so that it fills without overflowing when the stud is inserted. The anchor bolt can be inserted by hand simply by pushing the bolt into the hole with a slight rotary action to ensure the resin fills the threads of the anchor bolt. Allow the Chemset 801 to cure for the specified amount of time before applying load. Chemset 101 Injection Anchoring Adhesive. The Chemset 101 Injection Anchoring Adhesive is a fast-curing, multi-purpose chemical mortar for stress-free anchoring into solid concrete and masonry or hollow brick and block. A polyester resin, it is ideal for damp conditions. It offers an incredibly fast dispensing formulation and significantly faster curing times. It is suitable for medium-duty anchoring and reinforcement starter bars. To install studs using Chemset 101, drill the hole to the required depth and diameter. Clean thoroughly with brush and pump. Assemble the nozzle onto the cartridge and gun a small amount of the 101 to premix, then fill the hole to the desired depth with the resin. The anchor bolt can be inserted by hand, simply by pushing the bolt into the hole with a slight rotary action to ensure the resin fills the threads of the anchor bolt. Allow the Chemset 101 to cure for the specified time before loading. Using a special plastic molding, resin can be forced against the rear surface of a hollow concrete block to effect a secure fixing even in this otherwise difficult application. Ultrafix Plus. Ultrafix Plus is a fast-curing adhesive for light-duty anchoring of threaded rods and studs into concrete, brick or block. To install threaded rod using Ultrafix Plus, drill the required hole to the correct diameter and depth. Clean the hole thoroughly with a brush and pump. Using a caulking gun, fill the hole to the appropriate depth with Ultrafix Plus. Insert the threaded rod using a slight rotary action. Allow the specified curing time before applying load. Construction chemicals. The construction chemical range of Chemset products include expanding polyurethane foam, epoxy resin adhesives and grouts, and a high-strength Class A non-shrink cement grout. Foamofill. Foamofill is a self-expanding polyurethane foam suitable for use straight from the can. Foamofill seals, fills and insulates large holes in most common building materials. It expands to fill big holes and, once cured, can be cut and shaped as required. Epoxy grout. Epoxy grout is a tough two-part epoxy resin-based grout for use in pourable form or mixed with grated sand filler. It is ideal for grouting under machinery or column-based plates, anchoring deformed bars, threaded rod, and posts into carbide and diamond-drilled holes in concrete. Epoxy grout is prepared by thoroughly mixing the correct ratio of the resin with the hardener. In this neat form, it can be used for anchoring posts and threaded rod. When mixed with grated sand filler, it can be used as a compound for repairing cracked and spalling concrete. Neat epoxy can also be coated onto steel reinforcement as corrosion protection prior to the application of a concrete repair mortar. Epoxy patch. Epoxy patch is a tough resin-based epoxy. Its high-flow properties produce good bonding and penetration into the substrate. It will bond to damp or dry concrete and, when set, offers high tensile, compressive and mechanical strength. A boxy patch is prepared by mixing the correct ratio of the resin with the hardener. It can be used for anchoring threaded studs and reinforcement bar into concrete and other masonry materials. The range of Ramset masonry anchors is extensive. Product guides, technical literature and safe working load tables are provided free of charge on request. Branch offices are strategically located in major centres to provide further assistance from fully trained Ramset technical staff. Ramset. Find us online at www.ramset.com.au or telephone our customer service centre on 1300 780 063.